Hi everyone, my name is Lavish Goyal and this is my 7.2D distinction task demonstration for networking, in which I have used MQTT protocol and connected my IoT devices to the home gateway and make a smart home system using MQTT protocol, which will be used to automate the IoT devices in the smart home as well. So as per my CPT diagram, I have configured the wireless settings like you can see in the home gateway. I have set it the SSID of home gateway to name home gateway, and for the authentication, I have used WPA2 passcode, which is good morning, and it is um, set it in all other IoT devices to connect it to the home gateway. Like here you can see, I have put SSID home gateway and authentication password of good morning to which will be used to connect the home gateway. For example, if I put any other password and press enter, uh, it will get disconnected to the home gateway. We have to enter the exact password which is set it earlier in the home gateway. So here I have put good morning and the garage door is successfully connected to the home gateway. Here you can see. Similarly, for other devices, I have entered the same authentication password and SSID to connect it to the home gateway, and it will be controlled with the help of laptop, which is my uh, basically MQTT client and broker. So basically, MQTT is based on the publish subscribe method that if any IoT device publishes this message and other device have to take that message, it will subscribe to that message, published message, and it will accept that message so that uh, it will perform the conditions according to the things. Like here you can see, as my MQTT broker and client both are laptop, so I have to put the IPv4 address of MQTT client, which is laptop, to the MQTT client app. Firstly, I have to on the service. Like you can see, the service is successfully on, and to connect it with the IPv, I have to uh, connect. Like here you can see, the MQTT client is successfully connected to the MQTT broker, which will be used to publish and subscribe the devices. So here you can see, if I could home/fan subscribe, you can see home/fan is subscribed successfully. So, and for garage door on open, sorry, it will publish. So, which means that if home garage door is open, it will publish a message to the fan. And if fan want to access that message that garage door is open, fan have to subscribe, which is done previously, and it will perform actions according to it. I have previously set it all the subscription and publish method, and I have written my conditions in the IoT model. I will show you. Um, Here you can see I have to put IoT server address, admin password, like all the devices are registered previously from the config in the settings. And here you can see the remote server, which is my basically home gateway address and username password admin, which will be accessed through the IoT monitor or can be from the web browser as well. So if I do login, my all the devices are registered successfully and I can control from there. So sorry, you can see the all the devices are registered here and can be controlled. Like here goes garage door is controlled, but ceiling fan is not getting controlled, which means I have set some conditions which are these. Like first condition is if the IoT monitor temperature is greater than equal to 30, then only the fan will be start at the high value. IoT 1 and IoT 3 temperature is 30 degree, greater than 30 degree. So now also for the furnace, like here you can see, if the temperature is less than 15 degree, only then the furnace will be on, and if the temperature is greater than 20 degree, the furnace will be on off, will be off with the conditions. Like here you can see, there was temperature which is 19 degree and none of them is running. But previously furnace was running, now nothing was running because no condition is doing its task. So I will show you the other condition which is light on and off, which is practical condition will be performed here. Now for the condition light to be on, the garage door and motion detector have to detect something, and the garage door should be open, which means that if the person is opening the garage, the motion is getting detected and light is switching on automatically. Like I will show you, garage door is firstly I will close. Motion detecting is detecting nothing here. No red light is coming. So firstly I will do the garage door open and do the alt press key, the motion detector, and the motion is successfully detected and garage door is open, which is satisfying the condition that the light to get on. Here you can see the light is successfully on and the motion is detected from the motion detector, which is satisfying the light and conditions. Now you can see that temperature is dropping to the 15 degree. Now if the temperature get less than 15 degree, the furnace will be automatically get started, and if the fan to be on, the temperature should be greater than 30 degree. It is according to the condition. So talking about MQTT, the message is getting sended, and the other device is receiving the message through the MQTT protocol. And for this proof, I will show a simulation. Uh, Edit filters. Now I will keep the only MQTT packet for the analysis of the simulation, that if the protocol is working or not. Protocol means that if the uh, message is transferring from one IoT device to the broker, this means MQTT is publishing and subscribing the message properly, which is basically MQTT protocol. Here you can see this is MQTT protocol. I will untick all the other packets and keep only the MQTT. Uh, it's taking some time, but I will also keep the IoT TCP packet filter to use the send the packet efficiently. Now here you can see only IoT TCP and MQTT protocol is visible here. Now I will check if the message is transferring or not. So sending packet from fan to laptop. Let's check. Uh, what's going on here? Now I will check. Wait a second. So basically, MQTT is working behind the scenes. Here you can see successfully the IoT one has transferred its packet to the laptop, and laptop has successfully acknowledged that and sent the message back. And it is showing captured to the laptop. So, which means that MQTT is working properly as laptop was our broker and laptop's main work was to publish and subscribe the message. To publish means that we have to publish the status of the IoT device, and if other IoT devices automating on the that condition, then that IoT device have to subscribe to get that message of that IoT device. So this was my um, transfer. Basically, I will check if the packet is transferring properly or not. Wait a second. Mm, Um, so now you will see that garage door has transferred its message to the laptop, and home gateway will separate the message to the all the devices and receive the connection from the laptop, and connection will send the acknowledge back to the garage door, and tick mark will come. Basically, the ICMP was missing, that's why the protocol was not getting transferred. Now, here you can see that the only tick will come to the garage door, other devices get crossed, which shows that MQTT protocol working properly. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching, and my answers. I have tried to make my demonstration well, but I will answer the other questions accordingly if any will be asked. Thank you for watching, and here was my task. Thank you.